Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen yesterday, it was continuously on the downtrend, but it has made a high of a level of, we can see it has made a high of around $3.0225 and a low of around 2.8895. A good volatility we have seen. If you look at the price was not at that volatile compared to yesterday. Okay, and there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, now if we go beyond this from March, where the price has made a high of around $3.053. Okay, this is the high, so it is moving in a zone of $3 and $2 still, but it is very close to this particular level and chances are very high that it can cross that particular zone. Okay, if you look at after pandemic, what had happened, there is a continuous upside we have seen, and this pattern is being repeated, that whenever it is hitting its previous high, we have seen an upside is coming and swing is forming. That is where it is going high. Okay, now what you can see looking at this particular chart, suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside and a probability of going towards a level of $3.003 is there. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, it can go towards further high and a probability of going towards $3.00221 is there. Okay, and if the price move of that level, you can see it will cross a level of $3.0440 and from there a further high we can see. $3.044 is already being tested here, so chances are high it will cross this particular level, that is 3.053, and you can see that it is already being on a higher side, it is continuously on the high side, and chances are very high that it can cross a level of $3.053 and it can go towards a level of $3.0884. Okay, and if the price move up that particular level, chances of going towards a level of 3.2489 is there, and if the price move up that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $3.3203. Okay, so once the price started moving above that particular level, chances are very high that it can go towards a level of 3.3. This is the level, and after that we can see it can touch a level of around 3.5774. As I have already explained you that it is continuously moving upside, but it is in a volatile range. Still you have any doubts regarding how the natural gas is moving or a detailed analysis, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, and I have already explained you that market is always uncertain, so always prepared what is happening. Okay, so always try to set your SL, it will save your capital. Always try to trail your SL, it will save your profit. Okay, these two things you have to understand very clearly in your mind. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of around $2.9524. Okay, and if the price move above that particular, below that particular level, chances are very high that it can move towards its next support of $2.9314. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of 2.9057 is there, and from there a further fall we can see, and from there it can go towards 2.8794. Okay, so once the price started falling below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of $2.872712 from a level of 2.8371. If the price started falling below that level, a further fall we can see, and chances are very high that it can go further down and towards before to a level of 2.8317, we can see it can go further down towards $2.7923, and from there further fall we can see, and chances of going towards a level of 2.7102 will be there, and from there to a level of $2.6568. As soon as it started moving below a level of 2.7, a further fall we can see, and chances of going further down will be there. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've got the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.